South Korean government will actively consider reinstating a system of allowing military conscripts to serve in the police force as part of its ongoing effort to tackle heinous random crimes. Prime Minister Han Duck-soo said, "Crimes of this nature, targeting innocent citizens, are a grave concern that disrupts our society's fundamental values and order." The government plans to review the possibility of reintroducing the conscription system, which can bolster the manpower strength of the country's police after restructuring the existing force. Civil defense sirens went off across the country on Wednesday, with vehicles on designated roads ordered to pull over and people being evacuated to shelters or underground facilities. The 20-minute exercise started at 2 p.m. The civil defense drills are aimed at preparing the public for an air raid scenario, including missile provocations from North Korea, which has not been staged since August 2017, amid a thaw in relations with North Korea and the COVID-19 outbreak. South Korea will lower the infection level of COVID-19 to the lowest category, so it will be on par with the likes of seasonal flu. This will result in the lifting of all antivirus measures and signal the full return to pre-pandemic normalcy. The move came as the number of COVID-19 infections dropped for the first time in nearly 2 months last week. Ji Young-mi, commissioner of the Korea Disease Control and Prevention Agency, said, "It's time to shift our focus from counting daily cases to protecting high-risk populations."